There we go. Let's stretch them out on stage. Wow, did you think you were coming here tonight to perform? No? All right. Cherie, who have you got down the end
Yes, what's your name, man? Awa. Awa, nice to meet you, Awa. What's your name?
Nikki.
Nikki, Awa and Nikki.
Tramanoi.
What's your name, sorry?
Tramanoi.
Taramanoi. Wow, that's pretty cool, mate. And yours?
Loretta.
Loretta, nice to meet you.
there? Okay, and what's your name?
Courtney.
Is this Courtney?
Courtney.
What's your name, sweetie? That's Tessa, the gorgeous little Tessa. What's your name? Harriet, and what's your name? And Beth. All right, this is how we're going to do it, all right? We're going to play a little track, and you're going to dance. And the audience are going to judge who's the best dancer. Are you ready? Okay, let's start with Awa down the end there.
All right, here we go. To the crowd, mate.
Clap
to the
it.
crowd, Awa.
Clap along, everybody.
All right.
Give me 2 claps.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along.
Dance your heart out.
Feel like happiness is the truth.
Can't hear your claps.
Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Have you picked a winner yet?
Clap along
Who's winning?
you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know
Keep going, keep
happiness
going.
is to you.
Keep going.
Clap along if you feel like that's what you want.
Give them all a big round of applause. Well done.
Bring me down. Can't none
Okay, here comes the hard part.
All right.
Here comes the hard part. Oh, I'd hate to be a judge. Who do you think Christchurch deserves to take home the Te Matatini Pass, Day Pass for Okay, by way of applause, is it the young ladies here? Ooh, very good. What about this young lady? What about this young lady here?
You got some good.
This young man here?
Whoa.
This young lady here? And this young fella here? I think it's unanimous. Congratulations, you've just won a family pass to Te Matatini. Congratulations, Awa. Give them all a big round of applause.
Well done, mate.
How cool was that? And the best thing about it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is that it was going out live on YouTube around the world.